Hey, welcome to the Plant-Based Scratch Kitchen and the Recovery Smoothie. The story behind this smoothie begins on a planned 350-mile bikepacking trip across southern Colorado to the New Mexico border. We were planning to go over 5 summits in 5 days, and it was an incredible journey as it started out. We made it over Boreas Pass on the first day. It was about 11,500 feet. While we're out here, we are filtering water where we can find it. We're carrying all of our gear, tent, sleeping bag, food, and of course we are climbing. On our second day, we made it over Marshall Pass, which was almost 11,000 feet, and going down the other side, it was freezing cold. Our third day, we were out in a wide open plain with strong headwinds, but just beautiful, pristine backcountry scenery. Here we came across some wild goats, and it's always amazing to see the wildlife that's out here. Unfortunately, on the fourth morning on Cochetopa Pass is where my accident happened. It's part of a historic stage route. My front water bottle became dislodged, stopping me as I was going 25 miles an hour downhill, threw me off the bike, and put me into ICU for 4 days. The doctor said it was a miracle I wasn't paralyzed. I ended up getting 8 titanium screws and 2 plates in my back. So this led to the Recovery Smoothie. Now, the Recovery Smoothie has 3/4 of a cup strawberries, which are organic blueberries, 3/4 of a cup, half of a sweet potato, which is organic, an organic apple, and either 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, which are soaked, or flax seeds. These are all great sources of antioxidants, phytonutrients, fiber, a little protein, all which enhance recovery. This is also just part of a healthy diet, and it's also part of my regular plant-strong diet as well. So we're just combining these all, about 2 to 3 cups of water, enough to blend and make it smooth and creamy, and then we just blend it until it's the consistency that you want. And then here, I'm just pouring it into a 2-serving mason jar. I'm going to drink this all because it is part of my recovery, and it's good to go as part of a healthy, plant-strong diet. Thanks for watching. For more, go to speakingwellness.com.